I would describe Wales and West Housing as a values-based organisation, and I know that sounds a bit cheesy and a bit serious, but it really matters because of the work that we do and because of the people that we spend time with throughout our day-to-day work. It matters that our values are matched up, and it matters that people care about the work that they do, but we also care about each other, and we have a lot of fun together, and there's a real sense of work family.
Fy hoff beth i amdano'n swydd gyda Wales West. Y ffaith bod y cwmni'n uchelgeisiol iawn. Maen nhw'n brwdfrydeg i datblygu tai fforddiadwy yn y llefydd iawn yn y cymuned le mae pobl moyn byw.
Wales and West Housing care. They care about the people that work for them, and they care about the wider community as well. So you definitely feel like you're making a difference in your day-to-day job.
The vision to make a difference to people's lives, homes and communities, I think it matches, what we do every day. The colleagues, I would say the staff and the colleagues, my colleagues, are the main reason, I'm still here working for Wales and West, they're all caring and helpful.
So the working culture, the way that we work has always been amazing for me. I've got a long-term health condition, and the flexibility that I'm offered, that everybody's offered, so I don't get special treatment, but because of the flexibility, it allows me to manage my health really well. All through my career in Wales and West, I've had the opportunity to try different things and to try a variety of different roles, and that's allowed me to just learn and grow. I came into the industry with no experience of social housing. 11 years later, I look back and I think, what a great career I've had. It's just been wonderful.
It's a really easy place to work hard because we love what we do and we love each other, and we love the output of what we do, which is making a difference to some of the most vulnerable people in society.
Wales and West Housing is community.
Wales and West Housing is innovative.
Wales and West Housing is building.
Wales and West Housing is ambitious.
Wales and West Housing is fair.
Wales and West Housing is dynamic.
Wales and West Housing is kindness.
Wales and West Housing is family.